family. Okay, it's Tigernut vegan milkshake. So I wanted to show that real quick while I'm on. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna make this now. So if you're not familiar with this, this is Tigernut powder, and it comes from Ghana, and it's actually a it's not a nut, it's a tuber, and it's dried, it's powdered. It can be used as flour. You could put it in, it's a great source of fiber. You can put it into your, let's say you make, cornbread or any type of bread that you want to make. You just put maybe half of what you normally would put in. So you can alter it a little bit because this flour is dense. So you only need to put a little bit in there to add the fiber into what you're already baking. Otherwise, for me, I like it straight as a shake, and it tastes just like a chocolate shake. You'll never know the difference. And it's vegan. So I'm going to show you my vegan milkshake recipe, and it's on this package here. This is actually half a pound for $12.50 on my website, and it's for those brothers. If you don't know, this is a great, it may act as a natural aphrodisiac for most brothers. They do see that, but it does have a lot of fiber. It clears out your digestion, does a lot of things, gives you energy. It's some people who like to work out, they notice a difference. It's almost like one of those, instead of taking whey protein to build your muscle, this also will help with that too. So for the women, you'll notice a lot of energy. You'll also get your digestion system will be cleared out. Again, the aphrodisiac really affects the men, but we do have one for the women, and I'll show that later on another live. Okay, so let's get started. So on this, what I do, and it's a real simple recipe. I already have some in this jar here, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons of this Tigernut powder. And I like to put it in my blender here. All you need is 2 teaspoons. It's just 3 ingredients. Tigernut powder, which is this. I use this special dark, it's a special dark 100% cacao. I know the Hershey's is the only version I can find, but and I just put about a teaspoon of that in there because I like mine with a lot of chocolate. And then I use unsweetened almond milk, but you can use whatever milk you choose. But if you want to go vegan, then use the almond milk. And this is a fresh one. We're going to pour this in here like this. And then, pardon the noise in the background, this is my family here. Hopefully y'all can see this. Hold on, let me move this down. Okay. Alright, so if you can see this, pour about 4 cups of almond milk in here. And this will be enough for probably 2 people, 3 people, whoever. It just depends on how much they like to drink. And you can cut the recipe in half if you want, if you don't want that much. And then for the sweetener, I use maple syrup. And I pour about, and I don't measure, but I just pour just a little bit of this. For this, it might be too sweet now. I just poured a whole lot in there, but anyway, so now we're gonna go ahead and blend this up real quick, and you blend it up really well. And that's it. That's all it takes, really. Okay, and then we'll just pour this in our glass, and we'll let them try it out. So that's pretty much all it takes, and you don't need much, but pour that in there. There you have it. Vegan chocolate milk. Let me try it. Oh yeah, very good. Actually, I probably could have put a little more sweetener in there. Yeah. But I like stuff sweet, so sweet and salty. I don't know. You gotta watch me. So I'm gonna go ahead and pass this on to some folks. Let's get them to try it. And that's it. So I just wanted to share this real quick because I was asked how to make this. Love you all. We'll talk to you later. Bye.